Yeah.
How's it guys? I just wanted to stop in today and give a review of the Kacallap ALLAP-W1 wireless microphone system, which I recently bought from Amazon. This particular set comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. It comes in this nice little carry box. Of course we have a warranty card and bits, which we always get. And as you can see, very nicely packaged in a nice little box. Of course we have 1. We have 2, and we have the receiver. So 2 transmitters, 1 receiver. They are all AA powered. They will take 2 AA batteries in each one. You long hold the power button on the top. We have really nice backlit LCD displays. You can mute and unmute. Else comes in the pack is a hot shoe adapter for these little spring clips on the back, which will clip on, so you can put the receiver onto the top of your camera, onto the hot shoe or a cold shoe somewhere else. A lav clip, a lav microphone, 2 lav microphones. I'm actually using one right now onto my Rode mic to go here. I couldn't use this system because I'm reviewing it. A 3.5 to 3.5 cable to connect your the receiver to your device you're recording to, whether it be a zoom or direct into the camera. I have 2 of these cables and an output for XLR. Something else that's really nice is that on the receiver you have an output and a headphone socket. So if your camera doesn't have a headphone out, you can monitor audio directly from this. And even if your camera does have a headphone out, I think you're much better off monitoring your audio from the device that is receiving the signal. They also have this really fantastic spring clip on the back for attaching to a belt, which I find much better than a plastic clip that can get caught and I'm always worried it's going to break. This is a piece of wire. It's really strong, it's lightweight, it's thin, it grips good, it's simple but perfect. The 3.5mm headphone jack is actually a locking jack, and this will screw into here. It means it's not coming out. Each transmitter has a line in and a microphone. So both transmitters and receiver run on dual band, which is really awesome. You can easily combat interference by changing bands. Band A runs between 538 to 557 megahertz, and band B runs from 566 to 583 megahertz. So if you liked the video, hit the like button, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time for some more reviews.